Okay, job seekers, listen up. I've got 10 plus hot new leads from junior Java roles to full stack internships. Some are remote, some want immediate hires. There's something for everyone, but you've got to act fast. Let's dive in. Important note, companies sometimes change their requirements. Always check the links provided at the end of the video for the most up-to-date info. Job number 1, junior Java developer. First up, a remote, full-time junior Java developer role. Tricky part is, they ideally want 2 to 3 years of experience. Pro tip, if you're a new grad with strong projects, this could still be worth applying to. Highlight those projects and tailor your resume to match their keywords. Job number 2, full stack developer, MERN stack. Next, an entry-level full-time MERN stack position. Perfect if you're strong with React, Node, Express, and MongoDB. Plus, they want an immediate hire. Pro tip, entry-level with immediate hiring often means they're in a hurry. Get that application in ASAP and emphasize any MERN projects in your portfolio. Job number 3, experienced web developer. This one's for experienced web devs. It's remote, full-time, and the application's a bit unusual. They want you to scroll to the bottom of their page. Links in the video end. Sorry for interrupting. Only apply for jobs for which you are qualified. If not, give other candidates an opportunity. These are the latest openings, so apply quickly to beat out the competition. All of the links are in the video itself. If I put them in the description, you won't watch the entire thing and you'll apply without thinking, which is something I don't want. Only those who are truly serious about the work should apply, in my opinion. Job number 4, Python developer intern. All right, let's talk internships. This Python role is interesting. It says 2024 batch, meaning it's likely for students graduating that year. It's also India-based and full-time. Job number 5, front-end developer, Blazor. Now for those with front-end skills, this remote, full-time role wants someone who knows the Blazor UI framework. Blazor's UI is less common, so this is a chance to stand out if you have it. Job number 6, fresher IT software developer. Here's one for the freshers. Multiple locations, full-time IT software development. Rest of the jobs, Motorola internship. Motorola in Bangalore needs part-time interns. Could be great for local students. Full stack engineering intern, remote full stack intern, immediate start, and a $30K stipend. This one will fill fast. PayPal's hiring experienced software engineers in Bangalore, senior role, so check those requirements closely. As always, full descriptions and those 6 bonus jobs are in the links in the video. Get applying. Make sure to like and comment on this video with your name and a summary of your skills. I'll select a few applicants that I think are qualified for the position, and we'll try to refer them. That's why make sure to use the correct name as per your LinkedIn profile, because I will contact you on LinkedIn after verifying your comment in YouTube. I post daily job alerts around 9 to 10 a.m. IST. To be the first to know, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Here's the link. Take a screenshot and type this URL in the browser. You will get a Google Sheet with all the job links mentioned here. Every day I generate new sheet, so check out my videos daily.